All right guys, so we're out here detecting. What we've done to make it easier for filming, we've gone around and just found some signals and put crosses on them, so we don't actually know if they're gold or rubbish. So we're gonna dig them up and see. Whereabouts is the signal, Trent?
Yeah.
Well, the first thing you want to do is move the signal, all right? So I always start with the width of the pick. So if you can move it, then you know that it's in the stuff you've moved. So run your detector over that again. So now, straight away, we know that it's in kind of that area. So now, you can get your shovel and just scoop. Yeah, that sounds like a sound.
Pretty small.
Yep, still on the shovel. Getting rained on. This is our dedication. Put that scoop here so that you know that's right there, and then run the stuff in your hand over. See, so if you'd put that sand somewhere else, it would have made it a pain to come back to. So still in the shovel. You spot it, Trent? Oh. Is that a piece of rubbish? That silver thing on there?
It's a rock. Yeah, crush it. Maybe it is rubbish. I think that's rubbish. It could be rock in there.
That's what we call
Junk.
a piece of junk. So, there you go. So where's it gone, Trent? So we had a signal. Trent, where's it gone?
Still there.
Where? Okay.
So that way.
So what we need to do, when we're running our detector over things, is you want to cover the whole area, not just... So that tells us there's a signal there. What we want to do is pinpoint that signal. So the way of doing that is going front to back over the area. Where it's loudest will be in the middle of the coil. So as you're running over, if you watch the ground, so I reckon it's loudest right there. So what I would do before I touch the spade is use the back end and scrape some of that back. So there's a big, you can see that rock there, that continues down. So it could be ground noise just from the edge of the rock. But if we get some of the soil away, so you can see a bit of clay there, but the pick still does really well. Let's run that detector over, see how we go now. So nothing in the pile. Let's scrape that out of the way. So we know that's like kind of here, up against this rock. So it could just be the ground noise from the rock. But what we'll do is scrape down. Oh look, there's a little crevice there between two rocks. So that's a rock and that's a rock too, so. All right, run that over again.
So it's more there.
No, so it could be some ground noises from the rock. I don't know if I just saw it, or maybe I'm imagining things. I haven't been finding, because that to me is solid rock. You got rock and either a step or a different rock. My guess is if it's gold, it's going to be in this crevice, not necessarily embedded in the actual stone. So that's all solid rock. Let's run it over and see if it's moved at all. Let's pinpoint that a bit more. So, yeah, I reckon it's around there somewhere. So, go Trent, let's see how we go. See if we can get it out without smashing the rock up. Oh, this is perfect what Trent's doing, just half and half. Quickest way to get it out. Except they just dropped it. So the flies are pretty bad here at the moment, in case you can't see them all over Trent. You got it? The other great thing about digging up nuggets here is that they taste really good. Because we're on the edge of a salt flat, they're actually salty nuggets. It is awesome. Much better than regular dirt, okay? That's a pro tip. Dig up the salty nuggets, they taste way better. There you go, well done Trenty.